The ugly side of beauty pageants. Are beauty pageants exploitative? I chose this topic because I was interested in learning more about beauty pageants. I have done the research, gathered information, and came to an answer. I do believe that beauty pageants are exploitative. Beauty pageants are exploitative because they produce low self-esteem, create unrealistic beauty standards, judge women morally, and they negatively affect children. Beauty pageants encourage young girls and women to focus on achieving physical perfection. Some women turn to plastic surgery to try and win these contests. Contestants will compare themselves to each other and judge each other, resulting in low self-esteem. About 25% of women competing in beauty pageants will develop some sort of eating disorder. Women who compete in beauty pageants also have a chance to develop mental disorders. Mental health issues may arise from the constant need to perfect one's appearance. The constant need to fix one's appearance can create anxiety or even depression. Wanting to achieve physical perfection, getting plastic surgery to win, and comparing oneself to other pageant contestants are signs of low self-esteem. Beauty pageants create unrealistic beauty standards. When entering a beauty pageant, there are strict qualifications that must be met. There are height requirements, there are weight requirements. Setting weight and height requirements is harmful and creates an unrealistic beauty standard because it objectifies the idea that beauty is subjective. These judges and pageant directors expect their contestants to look a certain way to even enter. This exploits the women who do fit the requirements by using them as the beauty standard and harms those who do not fit the qualifications. Another reason beauty pageants create unrealistic beauty standards is because of the beauty tax. The beauty tax is a term used to define when people spend money on makeup, hair extensions, and other material possessions to look more presentable to society. Women and young girls are expected to spend a lot of money to enter and compete, but not all individuals who would like to compete in these events have an excessive amount of money to spend on dresses, travel, entry fees, and other common beauty pageant expenses. This creates an unrealistic beauty standard in the industry because contestants are expected to have a certain amount of money alongside looking a specific way. Beauty pageants judge women morally. Beauty pageants can issue background checks on all individuals who wish to enter. These contests can deny contestants who have had prior abortions. Beauty pageants mandate that women be single and childless. This perpetuates the ruse of virginity and a one-way definition of sexuality. So, beauty pageants can deny women who have had prior convictions or prior abortions. They can also deny women who are married and have children. This is just proof that beauty pageants judge women morally. Beauty pageants negatively affect children. Some parents force their kids to participate in beauty pageants, which can result in emotional trauma. Child pageants often have little to do with the child and much more to do with satisfying the needs of the parents. Forcing a child to compete in a beauty contest where they are judged on their talents and looks is a form of abuse. Beauty pageants negatively affect children continued. The sexualization of children. Many countries around the world have even banned child beauty pageants because of their exploitative natures. Countries like France have banned child beauty pageants because they hypersexualize young girls. During beauty pageants, young girls are pushed to wear more makeup and show more skin. This makes these pageant contestants more likely to view themselves as objects. The problem is that young girls are pushed into these situations where they are preyed upon by an audience and judges. Beauty pageants give children trauma into adulthood. Because of the high standard of beauty pageants, girls will lose confidence in their bodies and physical appearance. This could put them at risk of developing an eating disorder. Eating disorders can carry into adulthood and can be hard to recover from. To conclude, beauty pageants are exploitative because they pin women against each other based on their physical attractiveness. Beauty pageants judge women and young girls' appearance and produce low self-esteem. These contests also create unrealistic beauty standards. Beauty pageant qualifications are harmful and discriminatory. Not only do beauty pageants exploit women, but they also exploit children. Overall, beauty pageants are harmful to those who participate.